I appreciate you very much.
Oh.
Party started! So what are we pairing today?
So we're pairing Prosecco and popcorn together because I think bubbles pretty much goes with everything, I would say.
So we're going to make popcorn, but
Yes.
you're going to bump it up a little bit.
Yes, we are. So I thought I would do sort of like a DIY popcorn bar. First and foremost, I think when you think of popcorn, you think of butter, right?
Yes.
So instead of just adding melted butter, I'm going to show you how to infuse flavors into butter really, really easily.
Ooh, yeah.
First and foremost, so I have melted probably a little bit too much butter in this pot here, about a stick and a half.
There's no such
right?
thing.
I would agree
I'm
with that.
having a breakdown. But
It's
that's
perfect.
Okay.
So all we're going to do now is just pour it into 3 separate bowls, and then this is just examples of what you can do. So in here I have a little bit of fresh rosemary, here a garlic clove, and in here I have thyme and a little bit of lemon zest.
Ooh, nice.
So all we're going to do is just pour in the melted butter into each. And the melted butter does not need a lot of time to infuse. So if you do this for about a few minutes before your friends come over, then the flavor in here is going to be quite pronounced.
Seriously,
Nice.
that fast, eh?
Really, really fast.
So
really
this is
wonderful.
grown-up popcorn, really.
It is grown-up popcorn.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you're going to infuse it, and then when they pick the bowl, they get their bowl of popcorn, they're going to pour on the butter that they want.
However much they want. If you want to layer it like they do in the movie theater, that's
That's even
fantastic.
better.
That's my way to do it.
Yeah.
And then once we get to the toppings, I got a little bit creative over here.
Okay.
So on my left, we just have some shredded Parmesan cheese.
Ah, yes.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Wonderful, wonderful. In the middle, a little bit unorthodox, that's crushed up barbecue chips.
Oh.
Now, right?
I'm not mad
there we
at
go. We clap for
you.
that. We clap for that. So,
Tell them what.
So the reason I did that is because a lot of
idea.
the popcorn seasonings you can buy in the grocery store are not gluten-free. So if you have gluten-free friends, a lot of potato chips are. So if you bring the potato chips, you can put them in a food processor and put them in a bowl. And the topping, the way it sticks to popcorn is very similar to the seasonings you'd buy.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can
There
also
you go.
just put that in a paper towel and smash the heck out
Exactly. There you go.
of it. That works too.
Exactly. Over here we have some fried onions. So those little crispy onions you can buy in the grocery store. You put on
yes.
top of fries or hot dogs, anything like that. And last but not least, if you want to go a little bit fancier, I did crush up a whole bunch of herbs and deep fry them quickly. So sort of like a really herb-infused salt, basically.
That's
How
cool.
do you
Yeah.
deep fry herbs?
You
I
just
thought
put a little
it
bit
was
of
seaweed too.
a little bit of oil in a pan, and then you just put them in for 20 seconds. They're done.
That's it.
Pat them dry and crush them up.
Thank you, miss.
Bubbly.
The party
There we
started.
Go. There we go.
Party started.
And I
Okay.
thought we could maybe make our own popcorn and try it with the bubbles and see how that goes.
Okay.
Let's do it. Now you air pop your popcorn, right?
You can air pop. I actually use a good quality pot at home. You could use a pot like this one. Anything with a pretty thick bottom that won't burn through.
I want
butter.
rosemary on
All
mine, okay?
So you can
And then-
smell it already.
Yeah, oh, you can actually.
I already know that I want
There
the
we
cheese
go.
on mine.
then I
Cheese on
want
yours?
It's either the
cheese.
cheese or the barbecue chips.
Okay.
Try
I'm
them.
very classy.
both.
It's a great combo. Up here, I kind of have an
both.
all dressed version at the front we can try after.
Listen, I love the idea of doing this because it's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to have a cheap party.
Exactly. Doesn't take
right?
long either.
You don't have to spend a lot of money.